Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your GPU and operating system. This tells you which driver package to get. Once identified, boot into safe mode and run a driver cleaner like the to remove conflicting remnants. After cleanup, download the exact driver from the GPU vendor, not a generic Microsoft update, so your Opengl libraries match. Make sure architecture, 32 versus 64-bit, and Windows build align. This prevents mismatched DLLs that cause the driver does not support Opengl error. Now perform a clean install with the vendor installer and choose the custom or clean install option to overwrite old files. Once installed, verify Opengl support using a tool like GPU, Caps Viewer, or glsinfo to confirm the reported Opengl version meets Tlauncher requirements. Next, ensure you run the 64-bit Java runtime if your Minecraft uses 64-bit. Set Tlauncher to use that Java path in its settings. These steps align software layers so Tlauncher can access Opengl correctly. Finish by launching Tlauncher as administrator and explicitly selecting the Java executable you verified earlier. If Tlauncher still reports Opengl errors, try installing a previous stable driver release. Newer drivers occasionally regress Opengl support. Once done, test with a simple Minecraft profile. If nothing changes, switch to the integrated GPU temporarily or roll back via Device Manager to the previously working driver. Troubleshooting tip: keep the and a known good driver on hand so you can recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.